Okay, with this video, I want to help get you guys started on Adobe Spark. So you should go to spark.adobe.com. And from here, you guys will need to log in, verify that you're older than 13. I'm going to click this plus, and I'm going to choose video. Okay, Adobe Spark is going to work a lot like a PowerPoint presentation. You're going to create slides and to describe them. But you're going to be able to record your own voice analyzing your data. First, we need to grab a title. So I'm going to talk about introvert and extrovert sleeping habits was my data. And they've got a lot of different templates. We're not going to jump into those too much. We're just going to go over here, make my own, pick that. You can slide back and forth by placing 2 fingers on your touchpad, and that enables you to move things up and down. That'll give you an extra video describing how to do it. So first, one thing I would do is pull out your rubric on how it's going to be graded, and you'll notice right at the top it says who is doing the project. So I'm actually going to stop, or I'm going to start with just that. So since it says I need to say who's doing the project, let me start out with my title: introvert, extrovert, sleeping habits. And then down here I can do say that this is by the great Matthew Shepard. Okay. And then, so there's my title page. I've identified who's in the project. If you got more people, make sure to include them. I'll click down here at the plus so that we can go on the next one. Now it says questions are clearly presented. So I need to make sure that I list the questions that I asked. It should be clear which is the categorical, which is the quantitative. So I'm just going to go ahead and be super specific. My categorical question was, do you identify most as a introvert or extrovert? And my quantitative is how many hours of sleep do you get each night? Okay, so there are my 2 questions presented. One thing you will be doing is you're going to click and hold that button, and what it'll do is it'll actually record you talking. So right now it is recording everything I'm saying, so that later on when I turn this into a video, and what it'll do is it'll have describing that particular slide. Okay, so there's the beginning of just putting in a few things such as text and making your recordings.